Day number 2. My mom with the corn head behind me. Still have acres to do here, but moving to another field to check moisture and yield. So here we go. Well, good morning. It is November 10th today. Just out, gonna get going. Already this morning we unloaded 2 big wagons. My mom's currently at the feed mill unloading the next 2 wagons, and I'm gonna try this 18-acre field to see what it's running moisture wise, and then see if I just finish it or if I keep going. So this is not a great angle. Trying to climb this. My wife got me a new Yeti. So excited about that. Don't know if she'll watch this, but I'm so excited. It's awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna get in and get going. I already drove the combine today, went over it while before the elevator was open. Brought it over to this field, hauled the head on the head trailer, so it should be good to go. Guess we'll see. Not that she hasn't already been running today, but turn on my video, turn on my monitor, tighten it up because it's probably the worst mount. Not the ram mount that's bad. The actual corner post mount leaves a little bit to be desired, but let her warm up a little bit. Got my flash drive with my, oh, there it is already. So if I were to do it, you got corn, and then, well, since I've already done it, I could do clear, and then you end up having to upload it from your flash drive. The nice thing about this is, actually I want to do that. So I have the Starfire 7000 now, so I upgraded from the Starfire 3000, and the reason I did is because of that. For some reason this was always the Bermuda Triangle, and when it decided that it wouldn't want to work, it wouldn't work. So I had my obviously my varieties tracked, my population tracked, but it never actually tracked it because it wasn't recognized, or wasn't showing that I was moving. So yeah, so I am just going to, I'm gonna have to do this manually now of switching which variety I'm doing. So I'll get that figured out and we'll go from there. Now I already remember how to do it, so I gotta figure out. So I have Dairyland 3366 and DeKalb 4155 as my fields. So for my first field, well, let me check what's along the edge. So I started with DeKalb along the edge, so I am going to do region 1, DeKalb, $41.55. Okay, and then I'll do region 2, Dairyland 3366. I saw it already, but I'm just making sure. So many of the same ones. So 3366 AM. Alright, so now I am going to just manually switch back and forth between the two so I can track it, knowing that, I mean, I'll be able to see the two varieties are different in height. The DeKalb standing up a lot higher, so yeah. guess we'll get at it. Okay, good to go.